How to lock Brave browser with a password. What's up everybody? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily lock up your Brave browser and make it secure. So open up your Brave first, and once you have done that, just go ahead and search for Web Store. Once you have done that, just open up the Chrome Web Store. Now you're gonna have to use an extension. So search for Browser Lock. This is the first one right here. Click on it. And now you're just going to have to add this extension. Just wait for it to completely download on your browser. And once the extension has been added, all you have to do is just click on Activate Now. Now click on Start. If you haven't created an account, you can just go ahead and create your name first. So let's just add our name and then email that's going to be connected to our account. Just enter your password here and enter your password again. Once you have done that, just go ahead and confirm your password. Then click on register. And then it will show you the rating. I'm just gonna do it later. You could also verify your email right now. I'm not gonna do that. And once that is done, here you can choose the lockdown duration. So it's 1 minute, max attempts is 5 times, and you can also clear history from here. As you can see, the browser lock is currently turned on. So I'm just going to go ahead and close this. And once I close the browser and reopen it, it's going to ask me for the password. So when I enter the correct password, only then it's going to let me in. Click on login. And now you can easily open up your browser. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next one.